Let's explore the STDEV.S and STDEV.P functions in Microsoft Excel. These functions are useful for understanding standard deviation in Excel. We will master the art of measuring data volatility with Excel's powerful standard deviation functions. Standard deviation is a measure of how spread out data points are from the average, also known as the mean. A higher standard deviation indicates more volatility in the data. It's important to understand the difference between a sample and a population. A sample is a subset of data from a larger group, while the population is the entire dataset or group. The STDEV.S function calculates the standard deviation for a sample. The syntax for this function is equals STDEV.S, range. The STDEV.P function calculates the standard deviation for an entire population. The syntax for this function is equals STDEV.P, range. Here's an example of sample data in an Excel table. Column A contains sales values 10, 15, 12, 18, and 14. Here are some examples of using the STDEV.S and STDEV.P functions with the data shown in the previous slide. For the sample standard deviation, the formula is equals STDEV.S, 6, and the result is 3.24. For the population standard deviation, the formula is equals STDEV.A, 6, and the result is 2.90. Here are the key takeaways to remember. Use the STDEV.S function when working with sample data, as it provides slightly higher values. Use the STDEV.P function when you have the complete dataset, as it provides lower values. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.